Good morning, everyone. Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
everyone.
ma'am.
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
So, children, please open your revision notebook. Write chapter number 3, revision, revision 1. Write multiplication and write the sum 52 multiplied by 35. And children, I'm telling you, start learning the tables also. And meantime, when I will do the revision every day, I will ask the tables also from you all. So this is the first sum. This is the second sum I'm writing here. 61 multiplied by 27.
Ma'am, revision in revision notebook. Ma'am, we can use black pen.
No, only one pen. Don't get yourself confused in black and blue. Use only one pen. Yes, Jignesh, what are you trying to show me? Microphone is not working. Okay. But you can hear me, right? Okay. Vehan Vyas, Viha, Seya, Shivani, Dhwani, Krishav, turn on your camera, please. Now we start from the ones and this is tens. We start from the ones. 5 multiplied by 2. Vihan, 5 twos are. Mic
10.
is off. 10. So I will write 10 here completely.
No, ma'am.
No. Arush, wait. Vihan, what mistake I am doing, Arush, if I am writing 10 here?
Ma'am, we have to do one carry.
Yes. Then 5 multiplied by 5. Mohammed Momin.
25, ma'am.
Very good. Next, Hare. Hare, Mohammed is telling 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. So I have to add something in this, in the 25. Hare, be little fast.
Ma'am,
Dhwani, Dhwani, 5
Yes, ma'am.
5 is 25. So I will write 25 here or something else.
No, ma'am. You have to write 23. 26.
ma'am, wait.
Yes.
26. Because you have to
We
plus
add
that
one.
1.
Yes, we write 26 because we need to add one carryover. Now put a cross here or put a 0 here. 3 multiplied by 2. You know actually why we are writing 0 here? Because this is 3 tens and 3 tens means 30. 3 is under the tens place. 3 tens means 30. And if you are multiplying any number by 30, so अगर आप 0 से 2 को 30 से करोगे, for example 52 multiplied by 30 this is. So 0 2s are 0 and 0 5s are 0 and then you start with the 3. So instead of doing this long cut, we assume it, we write 0 here. Now अब आप 3 से कर लो इसको. That is why we write the 0 here and multiplying it by 3.
Ma'am, I can do with a different method.
No, you will face difficulty. No problem if you know the other method of that, but try to learn this method also. Okay, because when you go in the higher grades, no, you will face the difficulty of doing with this method.
Ma'am, I know this method.
Yeah, 3 twos are Shivani.
And 3 twos are 6.
I write here, and the next is Mohammed Kuledi. Mohin Kuledi. Mohin, I'm asking from you. 3 fives are.
Yes, ma'am. Common gender.
Yes. Now,
Common gender is we have to it if it's
yes,
name
add.
if it's a boy then
Arav.
it's common gender. 6 plus 6 12. One carry and 5 5
Very good.
5 plus 2 7
Dheer. This is the answer. Everyone is clear? Clear
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Start doing the second one also.
Ma'am, the second one answer is 1647.
Let everyone complete this. Moksh Patel. Moksh Patel. 7 ones are
7 on the 7.
Laksh Dola. 7 6 are
Ma'am, can I say?
no. Laksh 7 6 are. Pritika, can you please sit properly? I hope everyone has completed the first one so that I can give you more sums. Please show me
Yes,
thumbs
ma'am.
up.
Yes, ma'am.
First is done, Viha, Krishav. First is done, Dhwani. Okay, I'm giving you more sum and then I will come to the second one. Write the third sum here. Third sum is 56 multiplied by 28. Find the answer. Yes, Lakshya, if you don't learn the tables, if you don't answer me in the class, every time whenever I ask you anything, you are not giving me the proper answer. You tell me what should I do now? 7 6 I told you to tell me. 16? 60? You don't know the table of 7.
7. Ma'am,
Tell me.
7.
Mohammed, wait. Tell me the table of 7. 18. You know, if you ask the 7 table from grade 2 student, they will also give you the answer.
Hello, ma'am. 42.
Yes. Lakshya, please start learning, please.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait a minute, let me take the attendance.
Ma'am.
7 ones are 7 and 7 6 are 42. Then put a 0 here. 2 ones are. Yes, Arth.
Ma'am, 2 on the 2. Ma'am, 2 on the 2.
Yes, Arth. You're not audible to me properly.
I joined also with me.
Yeah, yeah. 2 ones are 2. And next is Hare. What next I have to do, Hare? Hare, you're facing some network issue, right? Vedi, you have joined now? No? You were there in the class from the beginning?
No, ma'am.
Shivani, Shivangini, 2 6 are.
Ma'am, I didn't join now. 2 6 Ma'am, 2 6 is 12.
Yes. Okay, Vedi. Please check your answer, students.
Excuse me. Ma'am, what is fourth one? Ma'am, what is after? Understand third one. Ma'am, what you have written after 1 in the answer? Ma'am, the third. Please write the third question. Oh, ma'am, not
I
for
write
the
one,
answer. Ma'am, in the answer, what you have written?
1647.
Ma'am, I write 1, 2, 3 answers.
Okay. Shivani is telling me to, ma'am, I don't understood the third one. Shivani means you don't know the tables because the method is the same.
Ma'am, I have done everything, but I'm confused that 8 5 is the 20 and we have to add 4.
8 5 are 20. What is 8 5 are?
8. Ma'am, 8 5 are 40. Ma'am, 8 5
Let
are
me,
40.
let me ask from Shivani only. You all will pass. Then what will happen with the Shivani? She will not able to give me the answers till the end then. Shivani, 8 5 are what?
8 5 are 40.
40. So Shivani, 8 6 are?
8 6 are 48.
So I will write 48 together here.
No, ma'am.
4 will go here and the 8 will be here. And 8 5 are 40 you told, plus 4 is 44. Write 0 here, multiply with the 2. Fine, do it fast.
2
2
6 are 12.
So write 1 here and the 2 here. 2 5 are 10 plus 1.
11.
Write 11 and add them.
Okay, ma'am.
Start learning tables and start doing practice of multiplication and division sum, students. And I'm writing the fourth one also. Harsh Keshwani, you have joined now.
Can you write 5th one instead of 3rd?
Why? Instead of third, I will go to fourth only. Why? I will write fifth then.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you have joined late, Harsh?
Ma'am, my very network issue was where my light was also gone. That's why.
So my dear, now I have already started the revision of multiplication. You please do the practice.
Hello, ma'am. Please write the 4th sum.
Yeah, I'm writing the fourth sum. The
Ma'am,
fourth
we
sum
have to
is,
do in notebook.
yes, we are doing in notebook, Harsh. 72 multiplied by 17. Start doing this. And I will write the fifth sum. Only 5 sums today, and rest practice you do it now with the multiplication 2 digit with the 2 digit. Tomorrow we will learn with the 3 digits. Got it? Fifth sum I am writing here because I don't have enough space. I am writing fifth sum here. 48 multiplied by 26. 48 multiplied by 26. My board is clearly visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Do these 5 sums and then we will do the textbook exercises which we have left. July is your assessment, maths assessment, chapter number 1, 2, and 3. Start preparing. I will put in the classroom also today. Please start preparing chapter number 1, 2, and 3. I think Lakshya always come to just simply sit in my class. Lakshya, can you show me your notebook that you are doing something? Okay. Please do neatly. Arushmiyani, you are doing writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Krishavuria, your mic is working. Krishavuria, your mic is working. You can write in the chat box yes or no. And your camera is also not working. So my dear, it is very difficult to know about you what you are doing behind the screen. Please get it repaired as soon as possible. Dheer Kinsara, are you at your place? Dheer, are you at your place? You are doing your revision? Dheer, tell me yes or no. All 5 sums are done, students?
What, ma'am?
All 5 sums are done.
No, ma'am.
Araf Apani, you have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me. Let me pin you.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, yes.
The fifth and sixth also. The fifth only.
Fifth and?
Ma'am, I also.
I done the fifth. Please write the sixth question.
No, till 5th only today.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you say the?
No, ma'am, I don't write the answer of the fourth and
I'm writing. I'm only writing the answers. So just check 72 multiplied by 17. If your answer, is your answer, Mohammed Momin?
Yes, ma'am. It is ma'am 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, 1224.
Right. 1, 2, 2, 4 will come. I'm not doing it completely. I'm only writing the answer. Please check your answer.
Ma'am,
If it is 1.
The answer.
And yes, Dhwani, what is the 5th answer?
Yes, ma'am. Fifth answer is 1,220. 48.
Yes, 1248. If your answer is this, then correct. Okay. Now I'm going to erase the board. Dheer Kinsara, you're just wasting your time in the class.
Ma'am, now we have to take out textbooks, no?
Now you have to take out textbook. Textbook page number 43. I will again start from the beginning, from the Munia's timeline, and then I will explain you the full. I'm going to present my screen.
Ma'am, page number 43, no?
43.
Ma'am, but this we have done.
We have done this one. Wait. We have done about the puppy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have done the timeline of the puppy also.
Yes, ma'am.
So this way you can draw the timeline of a puppy.
Yes, ma'am.
And I have explained you why the puppies and the animals are growing very fast compared to the human beings.
Ma'am, I have written the.
Have you written the answers of this? That Munia started
No.
walking after how many months? So please start writing. Munia started walking after 11 months. If you check the timeline of Munia's, you can see from the beginning that how many months he has taken from to walk. And puppy has taken 1 month, ate food for the first time after 6 months, Munia, and after 3 weeks, puppy. And you should know that in a 1 month there are 4 weeks, and in 1 year 52 weeks. Go to the next page. Do all animals grow at the same speed? No, they have different speeds.
That page I'm writing.
Got the first tooth 6 months and the puppy got after 3 weeks. This you will calculate if you have already done the timeline, then only it is possible you to find the answers. Otherwise, just copying and telling ma'am, just wait ma'am, I am copying the answers is not the answer, Shivani. Shivani, if you have drawn the timeline of Puppy and Munia, you can easily give the answers.
Okay.
So next is no, they all grow at the different times. And please check that hen and bird, they can take similar timing, but cow will take much time to grow, more time. Draw pictures of the baby animal. You can do it later on. Here are the picture of grandfather posing for a photograph. The Appu is a grandfather, 95 years old. Chuchu is a red grandfather. It is also a grandfather, but it is 2 years old. And Rani's grandfather, 70 years old. So when you see this, the elephants also have long life, but compared to rats, they have a shorter life. That's why in the 2 years it became the grandfather. Now you have to find out the answers. Children, am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How much older is Appu grandfather than Rani's grandmother? Sorry, grandfather. So how you will find out that Appu's grandfather is how much older than Rani's grandfather?
Addition.
No.
25 years old. I'm
By
25 years old.
yes, by subtraction.
I'm
95, 95
Yes,
minus
25.
70, 25 years old. Next is will Chuchu grandfather ever grow as Appu's grandfather? क्या चूचू के ग्रैंडफादर इतने बड़े होंगे कभी जितने अप्पू के ग्रैंडफादर हैं?
No, ma'am.
How much younger is Chuchu red grandfather than Rani's grandfather?
2 years old.
No, how much? It's saying how much younger. कितने छोटे हैं रानी के ग्रैंडफादर से? So 70 minus 2 is 68 years. 68 years छोटे हैं. Now come to the holidays are fun. We have already learned how to calculate the number of days. Atifa holidays had begun. He was very excited. He had made some wonderful plans and wanted to tell his cousin Shabana. So he wrote a letter. And you can check here that he wrote a letter on 1st May. May is the 5th month. Hello, how are you? I am fine here. Appa, my holidays have started from today. I am going to my nanny's place on 5th May. I will come back on 20 May. So how many days he is going for the nanny's place?
Ma'am, 15 days.
15 days. Very good. Okay, stop yourself now. Thank you. My school will reopen on 30 June. So from 1st May he got the holidays until 30 June he is getting the holidays. So May and June. Please calculate the number of days.
Ma'am, 2 months.
Ma'am, 1 month.
Number of days it is saying, and
Ma'am, 30 days.
how 30 days? Month also, from May also, no?
Yes, ma'am. First May to 1. First
No,
May to
you will count from 5th May. 5th
Ma'am,
May
two-
to
ma'am, 2
January,
months,
February,
1 day.
March, April, May is having 31 days.
25 days.
2 months, 1 day. 2 months, 1 day.
Ma'am, 61 days. 25 days.
Now let's check. You all are shouting and telling 15 days, 20 days, 51 days. Because there is the easy method of finding. The 5th May, this vacation started. So from 5th May till 31st May. So 5, 6, 5th also will be counted. From 31, if you subtract the 4 days of this month means 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 27. 27 days of the May month and 30 days of the June month. So can you calculate the number of days? 30 plus 27.
Ma'am, 57.
Yes. When does your school close? Why don't you come here? We will have a great fun. उसको बोलती है कि तुम यहाँ क्यों नहीं आ जाते, तुम्हारे स्कूल कब क्लोज हो रहे हैं? They were asking. And then Atif, then again, Shabana is writing a letter on 5th June because she received on 6th May. Then how many days the letter has taken to reach to the now?
Ma'am, 7.
This you can check here.
Ma'am, 7
First May he is writing a letter. And again, she received on 6th May. How many days?
7 days.
Ma'am, 5 days. Ma'am, 5 days.
Yes.
Ma'am, 5 days.
5 days.
5 days it is taken to reach there because 6th को तो वो पहुंच गया. Yes. I am doing well here. I got your letter yesterday. Happy holidays. My school will close on 1st June. It will be reopened on 10th August. So June में start हो रही है. Now you can check the number of holidays she will get. Wait a minute. 1st May, Atif is going to the Rani's place. This we have already calculated the 15 days he is going. And then we have now calculating that Shabana's holiday starting from 1st June. So June 30 days completely. Then July completely 31 days. And August 10th school will reopen. So 10 days of August. 71 days holidays Shabana will get.
71 days I counted. I don't
Yes.
see.
Okay, very good if you have counted. So if we calculate Shabana's holidays, 71 days. If you calculate Atif's holidays, 61 days. Now, and this you will fill by your own. You can write your holidays, your summer break, your autumn break, your holidays, and find the number of days you are getting the holidays. Got it, everyone? Now go to the next page, how to write the dates in words and in numbers. How to write the dates in the words? You just only convert the month into the words. Other thing will be same. अब date जो है वो same रहेगी. Only month जो है which is 5 will be written as May. Only month will be written in the words, nothing else. 20 May here, 7 June here, 1st January here. So only the month will be written in the words. Got it? Students, still here clear? Can I move? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Go to the next now. Now the month is already given in the words. You need to write them in the numbers. June is which month?
Ma'am, 6th. Ma'am, 6th.
6. So how we will write the date? 1/6/2006.
2006.
30 May. May is the 5th month. 5/2006.
2006.
10 August is the 8th month. So we will write 10/8/2007. Now we can check here how many days it has taken the letter to post there. 5 days to reach to Ajmer, from Ajmer to Nagpur. How many days will Atif spend at Nani's place? That also we have calculated 15 days. This also we have done. Go to the next page now. About the expiry date and the manufacturing date, I think we have already discussed about in detail. Yes or no, students? About the manufacturing date and about the expiry date of the products. Show me thumbs up. Yes, now I am going to explain you a few examples which are written in your textbook. On 15th May 2006, Chandran went to a shop to buy butter. He checked the pack to see if this butter was safe or not. So it was written that best before 180 days from the manufacturing. And if it is starting from June, so I think if you add 180 days means how many months, children? 180 days?
Ma'am,
7.
5 months. 5 months.
30 days in 1 month. 180 days equals to how many months?
Ma'am, 6 months.
6
6
months.
months.
Yes. So can you please tell me in which month it will expire?
February, March, April, May, June.
Count 6 months. 6 months
Ma'am,
after
July,
January.
July, ma'am, July.
July. Very good. Only Mohammed is giving the answer. Others are sleeping, I think. So January is the packed date, and we can write here the July is the. So you write the July. Next is, can Chandran eat it on? Mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Can Chandran eat it on 15th May, students? Yes, because it's expiring in July. Do you ever check the date of packing of the things you buy? Yes, you please check. If you have not started checking till now, start checking now. Have you seen medicine which you have the expiry date? Yes, Dhwani has given the example also in the last day class about the expiry date of the ear drops. Yes, Dhwani?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
all medicines also have the expiry dates. It tells you about after which date it is unsafe to take the medicine. Now go to the next page. Which are the other things that come with the expiry date? On the cough syrup also come, other medicines also come. And if it is written MFG, it's a manufacturing date. 07 is the month and 03 is the year. So this shows that it is made in the July and expiry date is 0705. Same July day month is there, but the year is changed.
2 years.
Has yes, it can they can
years.
use 2 years. From 03 to the 05 means 2 years they can use that medicine. This shows the month and the year till when it is safe to take. That what month and the year is written as 07. 07 is which month? July
July, ma'am, July.
2005.
July.
So you can write July 2005. Would it be safe to take the cough syrup in the September 2005?
No, ma'am.
No, because it's expiring in July, so you cannot use in the month of September. Now open the page number. Next is about the Tuntun train. Children, this page number is your home task because this is related with 12-hour clock time and the 24-hour clock time. So from page number 49 till page number 51 is your home task to read these pages and to complete the exercises which are given in the textbook, because 12-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time we have already covered. If any confusion, ask in the next class and start learning tables till
Bye, ma'am. Have a
15.
nice day.
Thank you, students.
Bye,
Start
ma'am.
learning
Have a good
tables
day. Bye,
till
ma'am. Have a good
15.
day. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Ma'am, you will send this